Are you struggling with a Samsung S21 Plus 5G dead problem where the phone is not powering on or showing no signs of life? Don't worry, in this detailed tutorial, Sanyomobile explains the complete input and output voltages solution to fix dead Samsung devices step by step. This repair guide focuses on checking voltage points, PMIC faults, jumper ways, IC testing, and power line solutions for the Samsung S21 Plus 5G. With proper voltage testing using a multimeter, you can easily identify whether the issue is caused by a damaged power IC, short circuit, or missing supply voltage. This video is designed for mobile repair technicians, students, and beginners who want to learn advanced Samsung dead solution repair methods. By following this guide, you'll be able to analyze power supply lines, fix input-output voltage errors, and restore your Samsung S21 Plus 5G back to working condition.